What's up, everyone? We're here at Shaver Jeep, your premier California auto dealer in Thousand Oaks, taking a look at a pre-owned four-door 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. It comes with the bright orange exterior and black cloth interior. Coming in at 20,635 miles, this thing is a one-owner, clean CarFax with no accidents. You can see it has blacked out upgraded rims and off-road tires with plenty of rubber still on them. It's also upgraded with a lift kit and Fox suspension. It comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission coupled with a 4-cylinder 2.0 dual overhead cam engine along with a 3.45 rear axle ratio. It gets 21 miles per gallon in the city, 22 miles per gallon on the highway. Nicely equipped, it has push to start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, backup camera, and more. If you're interested, call or direct message us today for more details. We're open 7 days a week, and you can come on down for a test drive, no appointment needed. Again, we're taking a look at a pre-owned four-door 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport at Shaver Jeep.